Welcome to PTC's presentation on the base of the future. PTC is a publicly traded US software company based in Boston, Massachusetts. Independent industry analysts agree that PTC has the world's leading platform for the industrial Internet of Things. PTC's IoT platform is called ThingWorx. ThingWorx lets you easily connect to any data source and aggregate that data into intuitive, easy-to-understand, role-based user experiences. ThingWorx is available on-prem or in the cloud through our partnership with Microsoft. A smart base is a system of systems. Different data sources can be used to paint a picture of what's going on a particular base at a given moment in time. These data sources could be things like traffic management systems, power systems, water irrigation systems, wastewater management systems, building HVAC information. In this short video, you're going to see some examples of how PTC ThingWorx is used in the context of smart facilities. In this example, we can see a mashup or dashboard that shows all of the smart connected systems in a building. This could be lighting, HVAC, temperature, humidity, security. This gives the building manager all the necessary information to understand what's going on inside that building at any moment in time. But we don't have to stop at what's just inside the four walls. Smart bases may have plant and equipment outside buildings that we also wish to monitor and maintain. In this example, you can see how augmented reality is being used to guide a technician through a routine service procedure. So we've briefly looked at utilities and building management as part of the smart base. Now we'll turn our attention to the depots or the shops on the base and look at how we get visibility into the industrial operations that are taking place every day in depots across the Air Force. The hangar or depot of the future is really about enabling the connected worker. It's been able to utilize all of this technology to create very efficient, seamless work processes that leadership have a great deal of visibility into. Imagine a future where Air Force leadership has the ability to monitor and review work that's being performed at different ALCs across the United States or across the globe. Through the implementation of IoT technology, different depots and shops can monitor their respective industrial processes, such as metal fabrication shops, paint booths, laser ablation, chemical treatment, and allow visibility into each individual job that's being performed at that shop across ALCs across the United States. Why is performance data important? Well, these CNC machines can cost many millions of dollars. They're a highly sought after asset on a base. And uptime of these machines is critically important to maintaining the industrial productivity of the Air Force. Collecting this data gives us the ability to get insights into how the machines are being used, and if there's a problem with the machine, understand the nature of that problem. Here we can see a summary of machine alarms. This is important because you might want to understand what the alarms are, the nature of the alarms, especially if they're safety related. You have to have the correct operation of the machine to preserve the machine's serviceability, but you also have to have people following the correct procedures, for example, not attempting to use the machine when a safety guard is not in place. That could highlight a training issue in the shop that needs to be resolved. And if we do have a training issue in the shop, PTC's augmented reality platform can allow machine operators to create easy-to-follow job guides for less experienced workers, making sure that everyone in the shop follows the correct procedures and operates the equipment safely. Why implement a smart base or a smart depot? The answer is simple: cold, hard value. If you want to do more with less, if you want to raise productivity, raise safety, raise quality, follow the lead of the Air Force supply chain. Your OEMs are doing this all over the country today. And with that, we thank you for your attention.